G'day, my name is Kenny and I'm from Light My Bricks, and we've been cooking up something really exciting over the last 5 years. It's revolutionary, a world first, and I am super excited to show it to you all. We believe that every LEGO creation should shine just as brightly as the minds behind them. From the smaller builds to the massive ones, the experience of seeing your creations come to life is just so good. And that's why I'm here. I'm here to introduce to you what we think is the ultimate LEGO building and lighting experience.
LEGO, they're always going from strength to strength. And you know what? So have we. We wanted a better lighting solution for the fireworks in the new Disney castle, so we created one. The Doctor Strange portal on the Marvel Sanctum Sanctorum, it just had to have that little extra something. So we created a rotating ring light. Even the iconic Porsche headlight was a custom designed Light My Bricks component. We don't just slap our lights into the set. We think about it and create the most realistic and high quality lighting designs. We've even held off on releasing a LEGO set sometimes, just to create that perfect component that really finishes off the LEGO set, because we literally love LEGO.
Over the years, we've been listening to you. The cables are too thick. Why do I have to disassemble my LEGO? Too small, too hard, so frustrating. Trust me, we hear you. Your LEGO lighting experience deserves the very best. And that's why we're not just upgrading the lighting system, we're revolutionizing it. And if you know anything about me, follow me at Kenny Be Like Water. I always create a way. So in the spirit of true innovation, we have completely redesigned our LEGO lighting system from the ground up, giving you the world's thinnest cables, flawless integration with your LEGO, and a brand new, world's first instructional system that literally changes the way you build your LEGO. So if you can build a LEGO model, you can easily install a Light My Bricks light kit.
Okay, so now I want to show you exactly how our newly designed components integrate perfectly with the LEGO system. So here we have the Light My Bricks media light. So as you can see here, it's clicking directly to the underside of the LEGO, and this is through the use of our tether. And this is positioned here to illuminate the interior of the Natural History Museum. Our lighting components integrate with the LEGO system so perfectly that here in the Sanctum Sanctorum set, you could simply just remove one of the portals on the side here, detaching the power, and then reattaching through the use of our flux touch plates. So you can swap all the positions of those, keeping 100% of the playability. But what I haven't mentioned yet is our new cable system, which we call belts. So it makes me super excited as a lighting designer. Here, I'm running 3 of these belts underneath these LEGO tiles here. There's no gaps, keeping your LEGO set perfect.
And there you have it. If you want to find out more about Light My Bricks, then check out the links in the section below. We're going to be releasing new products all the time, so please keep checking back. We're so excited about this brand new lighting system and the way we've been able to bring everyone's LEGO to life and create that ultimate building experience to you all.